Solving inequalities begins by collecting all variables on one side while combining all numbers on the other. With this in mind, we will begin this problem, example 1, by subtracting the 4y from each side, leaving a negative 3 to be less than y plus 2. Our second step, to subtract the 2, results in an inequality statement of negative 5 is less than y. What we will want to do then is to state this so that the variable y is first, and that requires that the relationship is consistent, y is greater than negative 5. Now, to explain what that means, it's often a good idea to test this on a number line. So what we have just established is that our border point, our point of decision, is negative 5. So for sure we want to include that. We also notice that there is no equal sign here, so our graphing will not include that point. We signify this by indicating a hollow dot as our border that is not included. We will want to continue by selecting a point to the right and to the left that can be tested back in the original equation. For negative 5, an easy point to its right would be 0. Let's see if that results in a true or false statement. So substituting back into the original, 4 times 0 minus 3, is that less than 5 times 0 added to 2? Well, doing some arithmetic here, the statement is that negative 3 is less than true. Well, 2, that certainly is true. Now, if we just want to really make certain, we might also select a point to the left, and here we expect to find a false. Well, let's see what happens. We have 4 times negative 10 minus 3. Is that in fact less than 5 times negative 10 plus 2? Well, negative 43 compared to, let's see, negative 50 plus 2, negative 48, is not less than, so we do have a false statement. This checks our thinking that to the right would be the true solutions to this inequality. That is, beginning at this border point to the right, anything, any value would result in a true statement of the original inequality. We have therefore solved our inequality. But we need to state this, and besides the picture that reinforces it, we will then take our inequality y greater than negative 5 and place it into set builder notation. This is saying a set of all y such that y is greater than negative 5. This is then our completely communicated answer.